Welcome back to part 3 of our basic to advanced floor plan mini series. Enjoy the video.
The next thing I can do is add some furniture. So let's hit the component button and then hit yes to load something in. Then I'm going to go up to the furniture folder. Let's go with the bedrooms first. So let's go with bed. And then I can select bed 1 and open that up. And then I can add some beds in place. So one there, one in there, and one in there. Now these are only double beds, so let's do a SA to select all. Let's change all of these to the queen bed, which is more appropriate for this plan. Let's also change our door size down, as they are all currently quite large. So I'm going to change all of the doors down to 800 doors. So edit type. And then I'm going to just select the 810 door and then hit OK. So all of those change. I think I missed one here, so let's change that down to 810 as well. The main entrance door is 910, but it's usually bigger, so let's change that up to our 1 meter door or 1010 door. The next thing I'm going to do is go back to our components and then load family, and then this time I'm going to go up to my plumbing folder, architectural fixtures and water closet. Then I'm going to add a water closet Riv system and then open that up. Then I can add that into the scheme as well. Let's also add a sink. And then finally, let's add some kitchen components. And last but not least, some furniture for the living room. going to make one final adjustment. I'm going to add a door into this kitchen. Then I'm going to make an adjustment to this area here, just because it doesn't really match what's going on in reality. So I'll make that adjustment now.
And that's the end of this video. Be sure to check out parts 1 and 2 to this basic to advanced floor plan mini-series. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more regularly released Revit content. I'll see you in the next one.